Today, I'll show you how to add a receiver in Moneygram. This is a straightforward process, and once you know how, it'll make sending money to friends and family a breeze. First, let's get started by opening the Moneygram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account. It's important to have your login credentials ready so you can access all the features of the app. Once you're on the home screen, you'll want to look for the option that says Add Receiver or a prompt that invites you to add family or friends. This is your gateway to setting up new recipients for your money transfers. Once you spot that option, go ahead and tap on Add Receiver. Now, you have the choice of adding the receiver in two different ways. You can either do this manually or select from your contacts list if you have the person's details saved in your phone. The latter option can save you time and reduce the chances of typing errors. If you decide to enter the information manually, you'll need to input some key details. This includes the receiver's full legal name as it appears on their identification documents, their mobile number, and the country they reside in. It's crucial to double-check this information for accuracy. Any mistakes could lead to complications during the money transfer process, and we definitely want to avoid that. After you've carefully entered all the required details, look for the Save Receiver option. Tapping on that will save all the information you've entered and add the receiver to your Moneygram account. This will make them available for any future transactions you might want to make, streamlining the process considerably. And that's it. You've successfully added a receiver in Moneygram. With this setup complete, sending money to this person will be much quicker and easier in the future. Remember, having accurate information ensures a smooth transaction. So always double check the details you enter. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial and happy transferring.